and discussion on preparation of outline development plan for Kalangut and Kandolim planning area. After adoption of present land use map and land use register by the government, आज authority हे केला, we have adopted it, finalized land use map and register for Kalangut. We are going to send it to the government on Monday for final adoption. ही घोरां more than 1500 आमकां सगळ्यांच्यो स्ट्रक्चर हे येयल्या फायली येयल्या, बट 1500 वयरूच आहा घरां धरली इन कागदोलीन प्लस कलांगुटान आनीक 1,500 आसतली. हे आमी गुगल इमेजाचो हे घेतला, हेल्प घेतला. पब्लिकांनी आमकां हाडून फायली दिल्ल्यो आहा विथ सर्वे. वी हॅव रिमूव्ड अ सब कमिटी टुडे ऑन म्हापसा ODP back again, where MAPSA chairperson Mr. Sandeep Falari will head the subcommittee. Outline development plan of MAPSA, which is already adopted by the government, that is draft ODP was adopted by the government. Today we took a decision that draft ODP can come into force as per the adoption of the government. And decision is also taken as far as draft ODP to go to the government.
आमी subcommittee as a chairman of the subcommittee, I presented before the board all the members which will give us respite for parking, garbage management आणि transportation. आणि सिटीकूय एक नवी झळाळी हाडपाक, keeping the character same. आमचो जो कॅरेक्टर आसा, आमची जी बायोडायवर्सिटी आसा, जैवविविधता आसा ह्या शहरान, ती तशीच मेंटेन करून हो प्लॅन लोकां खातीर, लोकांचे सजेशनां घेवन केल्लो प्लॅन असो हाजो एक स्वरूप आसा. आनी आज तो एप्रूव करून गव्हर्मेंटाक तांचे एप्रुवलाक धाडटा.